I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an eSIM on your Pixel with Rogers Canada can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Pixel phone supports eSIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Open settings. On your Pixel, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and select Network and Internet. Step 4. Add mobile plan. Tap on Add mobile plan, then choose Use a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code you received from Rogers. If you have trouble scanning, ensure good lighting and hold the phone steady. Step 5. Activate your plan. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to activate your eSIM. You may need to restart your phone to finalize the setup. Setting up an eSIM can seem daunting, but by following these steps, you should be up and running in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers support for assistance. Happy connecting!